Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this application requires iOS 16.0 or later, or some message where you cannot download an app because you don't have this version. So the obvious and the simple solution I'm going to show you, and then some workaround that you can do and still download an app. So the simple and the easy solution would be to go to your setting and then general software update, and if your phone can update to iOS 16, go ahead and update it to so you can actually download the app in this section. However, your phone might not be compatible with iOS 16, meaning you can't update to iOS 16 and you can't download the app. However, there is a workaround, and the workaround involves having a phone that actually can download iOS, that app on iOS 16 or later. Now, this phone could be a friend's or family phone, or your second phone, or another phone. Basically, the trick here is you want to sign into the same Apple account that you're going to be using on the phone that can download. So it has to be the same Apple account on this device that you can download. Right here, as you can see, you have the same account downloaded. And then you're going to go to the App Store and then download that app. So if you had an app that you wanted to download, for example, Roblox, I would just click on install and install it on this phone. Now, once it's been installed on this phone, what's going to happen is you can sign out of this Apple ID here. On this phone, you won't need it any longer. Once you go onto the phone that you couldn't download, now if you go to the App Store itself and using the same account under apps and click on not on this phone, it's going to show basically apps that you downloaded on your account on any device. However, it's not on this phone. And this time around, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and download it on this app. So if I want to download this app, for example, it will go ahead and download an older version that it couldn't download before. So if it's a new version that it couldn't download, it will download an older version on this phone that's compatible for this phone itself. Works for most apps I've seen. All again, the trick is basically that account that you're using on this phone that couldn't download, just sign into a friend or family's, or if you have a backup phone or another phone, somehow that you can sign into that account on that device. And then once you download it on that device, this device can also download an older version of it because it's part of the app's history. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.